Let's listen to an expert doctor for hypertension in young population, along with coronary artery disease and higher heart rate. Can be sure of happy heart? Today we have Dr. Y. Amulya, endocrinologist from Yelamanchili Endocare. How do we define hypertension? And when should we conclude that the person has hypertension?
Hypertension in adults who are aged more than 18 years or older is defined as systolic blood pressure of more than or equal to 140 and diastolic blood pressure of more than or equal to 90, or any level of blood pressure at which the patients are taking antihypertensive medications.
Can high blood pressure be completely cured?
It can be completely cured, but regular treatment can definitely lower and keep it in control, and it can also be prevented by eating healthy food, maintaining good weight, and limiting your salt intake to less than 6 grams per day, which is about a teaspoonful, avoiding saturated and trans fats, limiting your alcohol and smoking intake, and avoiding sugar sweetened beverages. Aim to eat diets which are rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low fat dairy products, poultry, fish, nuts and legumes. That might at least help you to prevent it, and if you are having blood pressure, it can help you to control it as well, apart from the medications.
Has there been a recent increase in the incidence of hypertension and heart attack among young patients? If yes, what could be the underlying cause?
Typically, people think that the risk of heart ailments rises when a man reaches his 50s or when a woman crosses the age of 65. But these days, we are seeing more and more heart diseases and other disorders that lead to heart problems, like hypertension or high cholesterol, triglycerides in people who are in their 20s and 30s and 40s. So it could be because of unhealthy diet, adulterations we are seeing in every aspect of our diet, so that could be a major concern. Sedentary lifestyle obviously also plays an important role, and we do have a lot of stress and several other comorbidities, increase in alcohol intake, smoking, and there has also been this post-COVID sequelae, which has also is one of the cause of increased heart attack among young people.
Thank you, doctor, for your time.